You're seeing some heavy cells moving through areas. These are going to produce lightning, thunder,
all wet in
hail,
here.
wind will be strong.
This is
Maybe
crazy.
some
We're gonna
downbursts
probably
and
be
wind out
sleeping
there.
in wet sheets tonight. The Scamp over there is not waterproof, so we are getting wet inside, but it's all part of the journey. Thanks for tagging along. We have rain today. The last few days were really brutal. It's raining in the camper. I'm not complaining. Our bed is wet. It's sandy. We have this big gaping hole, but look at that. That is what makes it worth it. It's pretty wild walking around here at night in the rain. I feel like I'm gonna get abducted by aliens right now. The last few days were pretty brutal with the wind, and I was really questioning myself. Why am I doing this? Why am I out here? And then it's mornings like these that remind me like why I'm doing this. Just to be more connected with nature. So I'm making a few breakfast tacos today. I got my bacon, some mushrooms, some onions cooking, got some cheese to put on it, and yeah, I'm gonna throw the egg on this pan really quick. We also have Hudson's breakfast cooking too. This is like chicken liver or something. So that's what he's having. All right, breakfast is served. These look delicious. I will enjoy this meal. Oh, I almost forgot the cheese. Sprinkle some of this on here. And that's all it is. Breakfast is served. Hudson's eating his breakfast down there. I'm about to eat mine. Oh, so great. I love cooking. Yeah, it's raining out here in the Pinnacles. It's not that crazy, it's just really windy. So yeah, I think now that it's kind of calmed down a little, maybe I'll play guitar. Later today, it's supposed to be really windy, so we're out here kind of taking advantage of the calm weather. You don't get a lot of rain like this in the desert, so it's kind of special to be here right now. It's probably only a handful of days where it actually rains here, so pretty cool, super epic place. See the Pinnacles out there, sun's still rising, peeking through the clouds. Hudson likes it too. We've been kind of stuck in the camper for the last 24 hours. It's just been super windy here, so it's really nice to get outside. There's a rainbow out there. It's a little hard to see. You can just barely see our camp right there. Super epic place. We got caught in the rain. We're out hiking and got some rain, so we're on our way back to camp. Hopefully we don't get too wet. If we do, it's all right. Hudson hates the rain, so he's off. He's ready to go back. Just beautiful today. I'm basically taking a shower right now. All the wind the last few days just blew dust everywhere, so I feel like dust in my hair. Just kind of coats everything in the camper. So yeah, I'm kind of embracing this rain right now. It's really nice to feel it. It's not even that cold. It's like in the 50s right now. So yeah, this is sweet. It's an artistic outlet for me. Making these videos, writing the music, telling a story, sharing it with you. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sharing this journey with me. All these desert plants are happy with the rain. They smell so good. And they're already like noticeably greener. It's good to get rain out here. It's nice having a dog because they lead you back to camp. I don't really have to think about where I'm going. I just kind of follow him and he takes me home. You can see Hudson's ready to go inside. I still have my roof vent is gone, so I'm using my cutting board as just kind of a makeshift way to somewhat stay dry in there. But yeah, Hudson's ready to go in, so let's go inside, try to stay dry in here. This wind is pretty crazy. It's picking up like sand and gravel. It's hitting the window out there. It's like shaking the trailer. I don't have a roof. Just stick my hand right out. There's sand coming in through there. This is pretty gnarly. Hopefully we stay dry in here. This is the dream. The storm is here. I'm not complaining. I'm just getting rained on while I'm in bed, that's all. Man, I'm just trying to like eat some dinner, watch a movie. Just getting rained on in my bed. It's okay, it's okay. It's coming down. It's coming down in here. Like, I've been inside since before it started raining and I'm just like all wet. It's like raindrops all over me. But this is part of it, you know. A little bit of rain won't hurt. Some people are dealing with stuff way heavier than this, so you can see it all coming in. I'm just trying to make the most of it. Yeah, I'm all wet. I've been inside. I had this up there. Blocking the rain and stuff, but the wind blew it away. And it actually broke, so I'll put it up there again, block a little bit of rain, but it's probably gonna blow away. It doesn't even block at all, like there's still a gap in there, but at least it's something. It's been about 2 minutes and that board already flew off. Oh wow, look how wet it is. man, it's all wet in here. This is crazy because these are not waterproof either. So water just comes in through here. All of these drip water, so this is all wet. You know, there's water dripping from all of these bolts and coming in from there. So at least we're in the desert, so it'll dry out pretty quick. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna probably be sleeping in wet sheets tonight. There's a full moon. I think the moon was full maybe last night or tonight, so it's actually pretty bright out during the nighttime, so that's cool. Yeah, it's like really wet in here, which I expected, but maybe this will help. Does this... See, the problem is the wind blows it away. Just trying to think of ways to like help a little bit at least. That at least stays up there. I don't know if that's actually doing anything, but it is kind of blocking some of the moisture, I guess. The wood thing flew away. This is the wood thing broken out there. Yeah, it's raining. This is awesome though. I just leave my solar panel out, stake it down. It's been pretty windy today and stays there. Off in the distance, the pinnacles. This actually is kind of a special time to be here. It's coming down. They said there's a flash flood warning, so kind of have to be careful, but I think we're good where we're at. It's pretty wild walking around here at night in the rain. It's kind of a surreal experience. This is crazy. I feel like I'm gonna get abducted by aliens right now. You probably can't see anything, so I'll stop recording. Our bed is wet. It's sandy. It's wet over here. Pretty much all the windows leak, all the holes. We got drips through there. We have this big gaping hole, but look at that. That is what makes it worth it. I have no problem sleeping in a wet and sandy bed when I'm next to this. Yeah, this is cool. I think the rain's over. We actually do have some water kind of flowing. It's a little tiny stream. Some water. I don't think it's gonna get too much more than this. My broken board, I need to pick that up. I don't want it to blow away, but these things are really good. Get all the knots out of your back and your neck. You can really kind of dig into some areas with these, so